It's now official. A psychology expert has revealed that shopping in IKEA or even just assembling flat-pack furniture can lead to serious couple friction, and not in a good way. not that kind of friction.
What are you trying to say?
Well, there can be good friction.
You're going very pink now.
I'm going a little bit red, aren't I? Jane?
I've so been there. The Billy
In a good way?
The Billy bookcase very, very nearly ended in our divorce. We were putting up a Billy bookcase together. Nightmare. I think it's on a tip somewhere. It was sort of whatever. Horrendous. Didn't speak for 3 days. I actually now don't... I like going to IKEA, but I don't take my husband because he rushes me. I like to meander through all the different rooms, and he's always like, come on, come on, come on, and, you know, drives me absolutely mad. So I usually go with a friend now because I like to dwell.
That's him ringing in.
You know what, we've just decided, because we always used to do this, we would go through and it'd take forever. You'd get to the end of the queue and we'd go in all lovey-dovey, and by the time we got to the queue, we'd be having a massive row. And we would buy the most ridiculous things. I think because it's so huge, big things look smaller. Oh, I'll get that. And I remember once when it came to a head, when we got home, when we got to the car, and we had these lampshades that were this wide, and we thought, what have we done? Then we got home, we kicked them around the house for about 2 months. Anyway, they're now in the loft. We had to put them up in the loft sideways, and we thought, right, let's not do it anymore. Let's go, when we go, let's just go straight to the meatballs. So we cut out all of the store and we just go straight up into the meatballs, have them back in the car home.
So basically, you just go to IKEA for lunch?
For lunch?
Well, for the meatballs.
Well, that's a bit sad.
I've walked round
And the
IKEA
ginger
so
bits.
many times because I like going into the little houses, you know, because you've got a bedroom, then you've got a kitchen, then you've got an office
They
where
do
you
have
can
very
go on
good
the
ideas.
computer.
They do have good
and then
ideas.
you've got all those things, and I go around and they have good candles, and they have and I
Can I
get
just
to,
say, other stores are available.
yes,
I know
but
what
I've
you're
never
talking about.
bought anything from IKEA. I just walk round it, go into the little houses, sit on the chair, go, oh, this is nice, go have a tea here, and I just do all that.
Well,
It's like a little doll's house.
What's interesting about where the psychologist is coming from was basically saying that when you... This was reported in the Wall Street Journal in America. Basically, that as you go through and you're in the kitchen bit, it reminds you, and you start arguing about who doesn't do what in the kitchen.
Oh,
and then when you go
really?
through the children's bit, you get niggly over who does what with
about
with
the
the
bedroom?
kids. Looking through my research, Sherry, I don't think they do. Maybe that's positive
If
friction.
you
that
want
they
to
haven't
have
talked about.
children and your partner has said, no, we can't have children, and then
Yes.
you've got to walk through the children's bit. Oh.
On the plus side of this information also says that couples who are able to successfully assemble furniture together as a team have a healthier relationship.
Oh, dear.
Do you know any?
Really?
You don't know any?
The thought of putting up those things and knocking those things in and you get a piece, then you get just a cardboard box.
Wow.
That's all you get in IKEA.
There we
I shouldn't have said it again. That place, you know,
It
that
must be
Swedish
true,
place.
Sherry Houston. It was someone who's got an ology who says so.
Oh,
so there we
really?
go. All right.
Meatballs, that's what I say.